Welcome to the Bird's Eye View. I'm here with Mr. Krow.
Hey, everybody.
And I am the War Duck. And I'm completely against the world of TikTok. I think it erodes kids' minds. And a lot of stuff I read is like giving them mental health issues, like giving them tics and other weird stuff. But anyway, sometimes even I can be on the other end of that and agree that sometimes TikTok can help people. I'm not going to say it's a good thing, but it can help people. So we came across this article, and it basically, a hand signal made popular on TikTok helps save a missing girl, and what to do if you see it. That's what this article is. So basically, a girl used this gesture on another driver, and another driver recognized the call for help, leading to the rescue. Everyone should know this hand signal and what to do if they see it. The story of a 16-year-old North Carolina girl reported missing November 2nd has shined a spotlight on the hand signal. 2 days after her parents reported the teenager missing, a Kentucky driver noticed the girl in a passing car making hand gestures and recognized it from TikTok. All right, here's a little demonstration from the Canadians Woman Foundation, the creator of this hand signal.
I appreciate it. I know your mom is a great baker, so I should be good.
So right in the middle of her conversation, she just, does this. And that's the signal for that you're in distress or domestic violence. Either one of those is kind of thing. So
I think it's interesting.
It's very, because TikTok is so big with the younger crowd, right? And this is something that they see. Older folks like you and me probably may not have ever seen this, but came across this article. I thought it was pretty interesting. So with that,
I think it is.
Krow had the idea that we review some TikTok videos just for fun. Eventually, we'll kind of come up with like maybe a category, and we'll do top 5 or something like that. But in the meantime, we thought we would just review it.
Let's waste time. Because that's what TikTok's for.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's what it's for.
All right, so
1 minute improvisation.
Right. All right, so let's do that. All right, so here we go. The first video that we're going to review here is one that I found, Angry Cops. Drill wife. This kind of made me laugh because I had some female drill sergeants when I was in school in the military. And so this kind of cracked me up because this is just hilarious.
Babe, are you home?
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, ma'am.
Are you late right now? Are you? Did you take out the trash?
No, ma'am.
No, you fucking did it. Get in the kitchen right now. Make me some chicken. Chicken. And broccoli. And mashed potatoes.
Yes, ma'am.
With gravy.
Yes,
Get
ma'am.
on there, sergeant. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What the fuck is this? Is this a fucking spoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this a dirty spoon in my sink?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did I know? I thought you did the dishes.
I did, ma'am.
No, you didn't. This looks like a dish to me. Fucking get in there.
Yes, ma'am.
10, 9,
This is like exactly what happens in like
right
inspections and stuff.
What is that hair right there?
He's using both hands. I'm impressed.
Why is there no toilet paper in there?
I used to know that, ma'am.
Use a bleach.
Please, ma'am.
Don't you know how to clean a toilet?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you not know how to clean a toilet?
I can't go in there.
Get the fuck in there.
Oh my god, that was pretty funny. So, all right, well, we'll move on to the next one here.
Oh my
The other day, a
goodness.
customer came up to me and he's
This
like,
one
"Hey,
blew me
I
away.
think
I
this
was
is
like, what the
broken.
fuck?
It's way too light. It's leaking."
I don't know how she does it.
Did anyone else
I'm like this guy.
just slide past the fact that she just completely juice boxed that gallon of water? Just right in there. The whole thing. And here I am trying to drink a gallon of water a day, buying liters of water, drinking cups of water, and she legit just boom, juice boxed the fucking gallon of water. My whole life has changed. Everything's changed. I am now going to completely just fucking juice box a gallon of water. Saves so much money and time. So you're welcome.
Just straight up juice box that gallon of water.
It's so funny.
Oh.
That is impressive to have. That is an impressive ability to do.
Well, she had like some metal straw I'd never seen before, but
I have those same metal straws, but I can't do it.
All right, let's see what else TikTok has to offer here.
I'm getting a day off. You take a powdered donut, you smear it on your nose when your boss man pulls up. Watch it. See, they got to pay you whenever you're at the drug testing lab and sitting there in the air.
So quiet.
Woo! Oh man, what we got going today? Woo!
Get in the truck.
Hey man, what are you doing? I'm getting a day off.
Those are called felony rings. You don't want anything to do with those.
Jeez.
That was really quiet. That was hard to hear him, but getting the day off, that's one way, I guess, but damn.
Jeez.
Bad influence. All right. This is Mr. Krow's pick.
Half of me is actually
Love this lady.
impressed.
Comes across, she's so much.
Can't touch this.
Just what could possibly go
Can't
wrong,
touch
right?
this.
That's what people do.
Seized injector.
Half of me is actually impressed.
They're trying to take this. I don't know. I guess it's a man.
Can't touch
The
this.
Jimmy rig. I don't know how to say it, but she comes across some crazy stuff.
Yeah, like a sledgehammer trying to yank something
Yeah.
out. That is crazy.
Yank it
dude.
right out.
All I can think about is though how stripped out that would be, and you'd
Oh
that'd
yeah.
be causing a lot more.
Oh yeah. Anybody can mount their motorcycle like this. I want to see it.
I couldn't do it. If you notice, all the ones that do it have like really low-rise bars, dude. This guy's got the fucking.
Yeah, this one's got the. He's all like, not gonna do it.
That's pretty amazing, though. The other two guys that did do it.
I've seen some people do it with like kids. They'll have the little kid on the back and they'll swipe them and like they'll grab onto the leg and get out. It's pretty impressive. I couldn't do it.
That was bigger. What? Seemed to work for your butt.
Cracks me up.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been.
Did you know that rubbing toilet paper on your chest will make your tatas bigger? What? Seemed to work for your butt.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been.
Did you know that?
They have tons of these, and they're all scripted, of course, because there's no way like some of the stuff that he says, and then I saw her doing one the other day. But they're funny for what it is, but just know it's scripted. It's not anything, to go ahead and say to your wife or some shit like that, because.
They're so funny.
But they got some pretty funny ones. But I found myself like after like 3 or 4, I was like, okay, it's kind of all the same. But
yeah, it's the same concept.
But they were pretty funny. They were pretty funny.
They are.
Please.
There's some good ones in there. What the?
Now, what part of fucked up, nasty ass part of TikTok did I just walk into? Now, I need to delete this app.
More cheese, please.
More cheese. Oh man.
Now, what part of fucked up, nasty ass part of TikTok did I just walk into? Now, I need to delete this app.
I think the funnier part is the dude's like fucking reaction. What kind of nasty part of TikTok did I walk into? It was like
so true. I got some stuff comes up to sometimes where I'm like, what? Where did this come from? Like,
so we swung to the helpful, to the what we've like run the whole gamut already, and we're just all right.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Recap, guys. We won't be taking any more off-time requests for the rest of the year through January 3rd. And yes, we will be working next Thursday on Thanksgiving because it does fall during the week. Anybody have any questions, comments, concerns before we leave today?
Yeah, quick question, real quick, like, so I'm kind of confused by that. I've never actually requested off time. It's always just been a notice of absence. Because when I tell you I want off those days, it's not me asking. It's more like, hey, I'm not gonna be here these days. Good luck, homies. Figure that shit out. So what am I supposed to do for next week? Because I'm not gonna be here.
Yeah, no, that's not actually how this works. So since you work for this company, we actually tell you when you can and cannot take off.
Right?
I don't know how things have been working for you so far, but if you're not here on Thanksgiving Day for your shift, you will be written up and a point will go on your record. But don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. The people that do show up and work their Thanksgiving shift will get a $20 gift card to Target. How's that sound?
So let me get this straight. Let me weigh my options here. Option A, don't come to work, take a write-up, point on my record, but I get to spend quality family time with all of my relatives this year because we didn't get to do anything last year because of COVID. Option B, come to work and stare at you for 12 hours and leave with a $20 Target gift card. I live 45 minutes from Target. I don't go there.
Well, if it makes you happier, I'm not actually going to be here on Thanksgiving Day because mostly all of management is going to be off for the holiday.
Exactly.
So you won't have to see me at all.
You got to be here. We won't.
I mean, you know, honestly, may the option be better that you aren't going to be here. But I'm still leaning towards option A because honestly, we've been hiring for like 3.5 months and nobody wants to come to work. What are you going to do, fire me? We both know you're not going to do that.
Just a quick recap, guys. We won't be
He's got some other ones where he's a truck driver. Dude, they're fucking hilarious because he goes through the whole emotions of like my drive to work and stuff. Like, come on, Karen, get the hell out of the way. He's all going off. It's just funny. So.
Oh yeah. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Yeah, trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
Love how he's spinning out.
This lady deadass left the grocery store in the Barbie Jeep.
That one made me laugh.
I guess Joe Biden wants his electric cars, right?
That's true. There you go.
Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. 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 Trying to catch me riding dirty.
All right. So there's one more I wanted to watch. All right, so this is the last one I wanted to watch because this one just kind of cracked me up. All right, I know it's kind of quiet, but
you'll get the point.
Yeah, you get the point. But the words of the song too kind of are little words. So here we go.
The president's a traitor and a communist. Nobody gets along because everybody's pissed. About to lose my job if I don't get the poke.
So he's doing that. It's only $3.19, dude. It's like almost $4 here, and that's at Costco, dude. I was like, damn.
My wife and I were shopping yesterday for just food and stuff, and she's like, "Oh my gosh, the price of everything has just gone up so much," and I'm like, "Yeah, thanks, Biden." And she's like, "It's not always his fault." I was like, "Oh yeah, that's right. Thanks, Obama."
Let's go, Brandon.
Let's go, Brandon. Thanks, Brandon.
All right, so this is like our first foray into TikTok. We kind of wanted to figure out like a categories, do some like top 5 of certain kind of things or something, but we were kind of just trying to see what the reaction was, to see how we could record this and how we could get it to work. It does take a little more editing. Well, it takes some editing. So it's just a little bit different. Just something we're trying to get used to, but we'll be doing more of these. But leave your comments. Which one was your favorite? And if you have any TikToks you want us to review on here, some of your favorites, go ahead and put them in the Discord. I'll maybe I might have to create a channel for TikToks or something like that.
Share TikToks.
Yeah, share
Yes,
TikToks
definitely.
or something.
Leave
So,
let us know what you think, and let us know what TikToks make you laugh and giggle, and what, or even teach you something. I know there's a lot of TikToks out there that I watch, and I'm like, oh, I never even thought of that. Oh, that's a great idea. And
you know, and this is like my first real look into TikTok, because before we decided to do this, I didn't even have to have an account. Like, I had to create an account to do this. And so Mr. Crow's like, what's your user guy? It's like, I don't know. How am I supposed to? So I had to like look it up. But so like, I'm super new to TikTok, and I'm only on there finding content, because even finding content, I'll scroll through like 40 videos and just realize there just went 20, 30 minutes. And I was like, Jesus Christ, dude.
See, I don't do content on it either. I'm one of those weird balls that I'm doing the same thing.
But you can easily lose a lot amount of time just scrolling through something to find something to watch. That's without even knowing what.
Do not take TikTok to the bathroom. Just don't. Before you know it, your knees are hurting. Your bottom half is numb.
Pins and needles.
Your toes are all tingling because they don't have any more blood flow. And then when you do come out, everyone's asleep. And you're just like, what the heck happened in my day?
Trying to walk to the sink with your legs all wobbly and shit.
Yep.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, just don't take it to the bathroom. My word of advice to everybody.
Oh man. All right. Once again, leave a like, subscribe to the channels. Mr. Crow's channel, my channel. We also stream on Twitch. But go ahead and leave a comment of what one was your favorite, and let us know if you got any favorites of your own. So with that, we are out of here today. Much love all.
See you later, all. Have a good one.